Uba AL hek ubade Myntri ke sorkar jyll mynta ke sngi ke tarik nailur hajar phulai ulapan Pyllait Paidbah ya ke designated driver Shillong kaban Jingshakri ya Kiba Donkam driver kano kapor. Haba kren hakani ke sngi uba Donbok Dohling ubade promoter but hakaju kapor ubade proprietor uloong baka jing thmu jong wanrah ya ke designated driver Shillong kalong ban lait naka jingma jong ki passengers namar babun hakini ki sngi babenta bun ki badon kali lajong but ki don kami ki driver hakaban leit bu ne leit shaw kani ka shlem Jingshakri kan don baroh phusau kynta but ka dor jong ki kan long 3 kilometre rius patingka but lada don kami kini ki driver kila ban phone ha uni number khandai lai sau iwe sam sau iwe.
The entity is designated driver Shillong. And as Pandit has stated, and as far as I know also, this is the first of its kind here in Shillong at least. I don't know about other places beyond Shillong, but here in Shillong it's the first of its kind. I provide drivers. I am not an aggregator. I am just a service provider, a facilitator you can say. I provide drivers for people who have an urgent need of a standing driver. Like I can cite a few examples. Like someone leaves home in a car, goes for shopping, goes to maybe Police Bazaar, parks the car, goes for shopping, and takes a fall, hurts the leg, and can't continue to drive. So what would he do in that event? Call some friends, call some relatives who would be free to come over and help out. That would take a little time, and maybe someone who might be free might not be a professional driver. So I am the option. Give me a call. I will send a driver, a professional, vetted driver, and may I add that I have spoken with the SP of these casiers, and he has consented in spirit that all my drivers, including myself also, would be verified by the police. That is, we'll be undergoing the process of police verification. So whoever wants to use, whoever needs to use our service can do so, knowing fully well that all of us will be vetted by the police. So again, give me a call, I will send a driver across to get you out of any situation where you would not be stuck due to anything that might happen that would make you unable to continue driving. So that's one example. Another example is like I've seen it. Someone, a new driver, maybe gets into a situation, maybe a slight accident, but then panics, can't continue to drive anymore, and maybe staying very far from town. Well, it will take a long time to settle down and get someone to come over and get the vehicle and go back home. So again, give me a call and send a driver across to get that person and the vehicle safely to their destination. Getting the driver to the spot and picking the driver up from the destination, that's my problem. It's not the client's problem. And again, maybe, lots of lady drivers nowadays. So in case some lady driver is pregnant and goes into we call Pyllait Paidbah, experiencing labor pains. So instead of risking, instead of taking any risk at all, stick put, give me a call, I'll get a driver across. Whether you want to go to the hospital or want to go home, that will be done. And the need of the hour, this is more critical need I see, is drunken driving at night. So many people do that. That way, I also guilty of a few indiscretions in my time. But then, driving after getting drunk or intoxicated is never a good thing. But all this time we've heard so many accidents happening.
People are going for different program. Especially at the night time, they don't want to go for driving. They want to be free. When they take with a family for any anniversary party out within the Shillong or outskirts of Shillong, they want to be free by themselves. They will just go, sit in the car, driver is already there, designated driver, which is identified and secured with the confirmations of the administration, the confirmation of the police. Everybody has to be secure. The driver has to be secure, the car has to be secure, those who are going to take the car also has to be secure. So this is, I'm telling you, the services is one of the big industries today. It's creating employment. I'm thank you to you, Donbok. You are creating innovative, not only innovative ideas, but you are creating employment for so many unemployment drivers, those who are around the city. There's no employment for them. I'm sitting in the my office in the home, in the office of secretariat. I've seen so many people are coming for job. There is very, very difficult to give job for everybody. No government can give job to anybody. We need this kind of people. You need this kind of our friend Donbok to creating the innovative idea to create more job, more facilities to more that people can at least get their security. So therefore today we are very happy to launch this designated driver in Shillong. Will be benefit immensely, will be benefit for all the people, not only those who are residing in Shillong but also for the people not in Shillong. They can call anytime. They can call in this number 923341541. This is the number they can call anytime. For this kind of services will be providing to all who are required and those who are needed. So thank you very much. Today I am very happy. I am in the Shillong Press Club, where I am briefing for beautiful, innovative projects, which I really like it.